Hi, magandang gabi po, magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Again, ako po si Coach Kiko, isa sa mga leaders sa Supreme Wealth Alliance. Ginagawa ko po itong video na to for a very special reason, I'm sure alam po ng lahat na last Friday, isang napakatinding sakuna ang dinanas ng mga kababayan natin, mga Filipinos dito sa Visayas, specifically sa Leyte and some parts here in Cebu. Okay, I'm creating this video to appeal to all our members of SWA. Okay, this is an appeal. If kung nakikinig po kayo ng balita, you know what happened. Alright? And alam nyo po na libo-libong mga tao ang dumadanas ng matinding pagdurusa as I speak. We have hundreds or even thousands of members as well in those areas, mga swamily po natin, mga kamiyembro natin dito sa SWA. And until today, as I create this video, wala pa hong communication, no idea what happened to them. So I'm creating this video as an appeal to all our members, as one of the leaders of this program, whose intention is to help everybody uplift lives. Mga kaibigan, mga kapatid, we need help. Magtulungan po tayo. Our brothers and sisters in the affected areas needs us. Ito na po yung panahon, ito na yung pagkakataon for us to hold hands and really hold tightly together. Ito na yung panahon, yung pagkakataon natin na patunayan natin na indeed totoo yung sinasabi natin that we are here to help everybody uplift lives. At ito na po, mga kapatid natin na talagang bagsak ang kanilang mga buhay, na wala ang pangarap, naghihirap, nagdurusa. Hindi ko kayang explain lahat, but again, after an earthquake here in Cebu and Bohol, then now this massive, devastating typhoon, mga kapatid, mayroon pong mensahe sa atin, and you just have to seek and really seek deeper ano ang mensahe ng Panginoong Diyos. But again, this is the first response. We need each other to hold and help one another. Kung talagang totoo tayo sa sinasabi natin, then this is it. Alright? This program has been so successful for the past 2 years, but right at this time, we are being requested, and I appeal to you, let's help each other, especially in this time of pain, in this time of suffering. Alright, so dito po sa ilalim nitong video na to are the instructions on how to give your donations dito po sa atin, sa Supreme Wealth Alliance. Alright, so if you have commissions that you want to share, may instruction po sa baba. And if you think like walang laman yung e-wallet mo, you don't have any commission, and you want to send, so pwede po natin ipadala, ilalagay ko na rin po dito sa ibaba. Alright, again, family, swamily as we call, this is it. Let us help each other. Magtulungan po tayo, because this is the very essence of what we're doing. Maraming salamat in advance. I'm in behalf of the people na matutulungan natin, the members na matulungan natin na ma-uplift yung buhay. Thank you so much po sa inyo sa pag-respond niyo dito sa aming panawagan na ito. Maraming salamat po. Again, ako po si Kiko of Supreme Wealth Alliance. God bless everybody. Thank you.